Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best belt buckles are probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful accessories in a man's wardrobe, capable of transforming a simple outfit into a statement of personal style and attention to detail. Whether you're aiming for a rugged, casual look or a polished, formal ensemble, the right buckle can elevate your entire appearance, making it a crucial element for anyone who understands the power of subtle yet significant fashion choices. Number 5. LAXPICOL 1.5 Heavy-Duty Stainless Steel Buckle. Introducing a buckle crafted for lasting performance. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Its elegant square shape adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. The single-prong design ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Designed to perfectly complement your 1.5-inch wide belts. Achieve a polished look with ease. Experience the quality of premium stainless steel. This buckle offers exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. Upgrade your accessory game with this versatile buckle. It's the ideal choice for both casual and formal occasions. Trust in the LAXPICOL brand for superior craftsmanship. This buckle is a testament to our commitment to excellence. What we like. This buckle is built to last with its robust stainless steel construction. Its single-pronged design offers a secure and straightforward fastening. If you need a durable and no-fuss buckle for everyday wear or demanding activities, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The buckle is a perfect fit and easy to install. It's made of durable metal and feels very sturdy. The design is sleek and modern, looks great on my belt. Number 4. Military-style belt buckles. Introducing our 1.5-inch wide buckles, designed for military-style belts. They offer a robust and reliable closure for your everyday wear. Choose from a variety of attractive metal finishes to match your personal style. Each one is crafted for both durability and aesthetic appeal. These buckles are constructed with high-quality materials to ensure they stand up to daily use. They provide a secure fit that won't let you down. Easily replace your old buckle or upgrade your current belt with this versatile option. It's the perfect addition for any military-style belt enthusiast. Get the best of both worlds with a buckle that looks great and performs exceptionally. Enhance your belt's functionality and appearance effortlessly. What we like. Explore a variety of metal finishes to match your personal style. Designed for military-style belts, it offers a rugged and classic look. If you're looking to customize your tactical or casual belt with different aesthetic options, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The buckle is a perfect fit for my old belt, and it was easy to attach. The metal is sturdy and has a nice weight to it, giving the belt a more premium feel. The design is classic and versatile, it looks good with both casual and dress pants. Number 3. VP Leather Unique Belt Buckle. Discover the perfect accessory to elevate your style. This unique belt buckle is designed for both men and women, offering a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Whether you're looking to refresh your current belt or create a new look, this buckle is the ideal replacement. Its versatile design complements any leather belt. Experience the blend of lasting quality and timeless design. This buckle is crafted to be a durable and stylish addition to your wardrobe for years to come. Updating your look has never been easier. Simply replace your old buckle with this elegant piece for an instant style upgrade. Add a distinctive flair to your ensemble with this exceptional buckle. It's the subtle detail that makes a significant statement. What we like. Add a touch of unique flair with its distinctive leather detailing. This buckle is designed to be a stylish accent for both men and women. If you appreciate a blend of material and want a statement piece for your leather belt, consider this option. What people say. The buckle is a good replacement for a broken one. It is easy to attach to the belt. The buckle is made of durable metal. Number 2. Classic Reversible Roller Belt Buckle. Introducing our classic roller belt buckle, designed for the modern man. This buckle offers effortless style and is perfect for everyday wear. Enjoy the convenience of a reversible design, giving you two distinct looks with one buckle. It's the perfect accessory to complement any outfit. Crafted for durability, this replacement buckle is built to last. It's a reliable choice to refresh your favorite belt. Designed to fit belts measuring 1.5 inches, 38 mm to 40 mm, wide, it ensures a snug and secure fit. This makes it an ideal replacement for your current buckle. Add a touch of timeless elegance to your wardrobe. This buckle is a sophisticated choice for any occasion, blending classic design with practical function. What we like. Experience effortless adjustments with its smooth roller mechanism. The classic design ensures it complements a wide range of outfits. If you value convenience and a timeless aesthetic for your reversible belt, this buckle is a great pick. What people say. The buckle is a perfect fit for my old belt, and the mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. I appreciate the sturdy construction of this buckle, it feels like it will last a long time. The design is classic and versatile, easily matching different belt straps and outfits. Number 1. Replacement belt buckle, multi-style options. Looking for a new buckle? We offer a variety of styles to refresh your favorite belt strap. This buckle is designed to fit any belt strap that is 1 to 1.2 inches or 38 mm wide. It's a perfect match for most standard belts. Choose from multiple designs to complement your personal style. Whether you prefer classic or modern, we have an option for you. Swapping out your old buckle is simple and quick. Give your belt a brand new look in minutes. Crafted for both durability and aesthetic appeal, this buckle will be a lasting addition to your accessory collection. What we like. Choose from a wide array of styles to perfectly match your strap. It's designed to fit most 1 to 1.2 inch wide belts, offering great versatility. If you're seeking a buckle that provides maximum choice and allows for a personalized look, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The buckle is a perfect fit for my old belt. It was easy to attach the new buckle to my belt. The buckle feels very sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.